hell can it be? There's some mail trucks drove up my driveway. I don't know if this is gonna be it. I don't know. I gotta see this, guys. I gotta see it. I can't believe it's here. I gotta find somewhere else to put it. Do a new day, you guys. Garrett Pickrell here, and first time this year. Like I said, I'm bringing back videos that I've never done before. Welcome to the unboxing of something you'll see just a minute. All right, let's get into this. Look. Let's open this thing and see what's inside. So like I said in my last vlog I did with Colton, I ordered something because I want to be doing something more for my vlogs. I want to make it more easier for me to do. I want to make this stuff a lot more better for me to do. So I got a pair of handy scissors here. And let's open this, shall we? Alright, let's see what's inside, guys. Oh look, another bag. This is a kit. Do not separate. Unless they gave me like a paper or something in here. Nope, just bubble wrap. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Can't wait to open this. I've waited this for several days now. I texted Colton about this. Alright. There it is, you guys. There it is. There it is. Oh, what I've been waiting for. A plastic bag. I can't wait. Oh, what's in here? Oh, let's give you guys a hint. Give you a hint? No? Okay, I'll just get into it. So I got here, still in the bag. Let's get this paper off, shall we? We got myself a GarrettPod. So I can hold my phone instead of using this busted tripod that I'm using right now that's on only 2 legs and using my body to support it. That's why I'm standing behind the camera like this. But I got a Joby GarrettPod original. And that's why this came with it. Because I can put this right on top here and use it for my phone. So this is something I can't believe, guys. I finally got something that'll make my YouTube channel a lot better. Got a GarrettPod, got my phone case thingamajiggy. Without further ado, guys, let's open this baby right back up. Alrighty, guys. So I grabbed the handy dandy pair of scissors. There's some tape on the back. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Got the baby open. Hallelujah. Oh, I like the little paper they put on the top. Is it Jobby or Jody? Jobby or Jody? I don't know. Original GarrettPod. Looks like an instruction manual. Pull this puppy. Oh, yes. Yes, guys. Oh, yes. Let's get this puppy out of here. Oh, my lord, guys. Look at this GarrettPod. It's nice. Oh, it's so brand new. It's so sticky. Like, you can hear it trying to crack and stuff. But guys, I'm gonna throw this phone holder on there. I'm gonna throw you guys on there. Let's try this out, shall we? It's a lot nicer, actually. Instead of holding it way out here like this, I can actually get a lot more view and stuff with this tripod. Wow, this is awesome, guys. Picked it up for 22 bucks right off Amazon. I'll put that link to that right in the description, so if you guys are interested, you'll be able to check out and get one for you guys yourselves. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna head downstairs and actually try this thing out. This is beyond awesome. Oh lordy, they're so close, but so far. We got close again, and we got far away. Wow, guys, this is awesome. This thing's just awesome. I don't know. This is so awesome. I don't know. This is awesome. Wow. I actually feel like a real vlogger now. Alrighty, guys. Wow, I'm still mind-boggled about this. This is nuts. Wow, okay. Anyway, I got a lot more videos coming your guys' way. We're at 99 subs right now. We're close, very, very close to 100 subscribers right now. So guys, without further ado, drop a thumbs up on this video if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe for more content. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that is in the link description. And don't forget, guys, stay cool, my friends. Peace. Well, that was cool. Meow.